Fairy Tale Math. Welcome to Amaris Creation, where stories come alive and learning is fun. Get ready for an adventure in Fairy Tale Math. Let's dive in. Once upon a time in a magical land, there lived a young fairy named Lily. Lily loved everything about math and used her magical powers to help everyone in Fairyland learn and solve math problems. One sunny morning, Lily received an urgent message from the King of Fairyland. The message read, "Dear Lily, we need your help. The castle's magical clock has stopped working, and we need you to solve some math puzzles to fix it. Please come quickly." Lily flew to the castle as fast as her wings could carry her. When she arrived, the king greeted her with a worried look. "Lily, the clock's magic is powered by numbers, and we need to solve these puzzles to get it working again." Lily smiled and said, "Don't worry, Your Majesty. I am ready to help." She took out her magical wand and approached the first puzzle. To start the clock, we need to add the correct numbers together. Let's see, the first puzzle says we need to find the sum of 3 and 7. Lily waved her wand and said, 3 plus 7 equals 10. Suddenly, a part of the clock started to glow and move. The king clapped his hands in delight. "Wonderful, Lily! But we have more puzzles to solve." He led her to the next part of the clock where another puzzle awaited. The next puzzle appeared. Now, we need to subtract to find the right answer. If we have 15 fairy dust jars and we give away 5, how many jars are left? Lily thought for a moment, then waved her wand again. 15 minus 5 equals 10. Another part of the clock started to tick. As they moved to the third puzzle, Lily noticed the intricate designs on the clock. It was covered in beautiful carvings of fairies, flowers, and stars. "This clock is truly magical," she said, admiring its beauty. The king nodded. "Indeed, it is. It's been in our kingdom for centuries, and it's always helped us keep track of time with its magic." The third puzzle was a bit trickier. We need to multiply to find the magic number. If there are 4 fairy flowers in each garden and we have 3 gardens, how many fairy flowers do we have in total? Lily loved multiplication. She twirled her wand and said, 4 times 3 equals 12. The clock's hands moved faster and began to shine brightly. But there was one more puzzle to solve. The king led Lily to the final section of the clock. "This is the most challenging puzzle of all. Are you ready, Lily?" Lily nodded confidently. "I'm ready, Your Majesty." The final puzzle appeared, and it was a division problem. To finish the clock, we need to share 20 magic crystals equally among 4 fairies. How many crystals does each fairy get? Lily smiled confidently and said, 20 divided by 4 equals 5. The clock started to chime beautifully, and the entire castle was filled with magical light. The king was overjoyed. "Thank you, Lily. You have saved Fairyland's magical clock." Lily beamed with pride. "It was my pleasure, Your Majesty. Math can solve so many problems, and it's so much fun." Just then, the castle's chief mathematician, a wise old fairy named Nymeria, flew in. "Lily, your math skills are remarkable. Would you like to join me in teaching math to all the young fairies in Fairyland?" Lily's eyes sparkled with excitement. "I'd love to, Nymeria. Teaching math and helping others sounds like a wonderful adventure." And so, Lily began her new journey as a math teacher, traveling all over Fairyland with Nymeria. They visited fairy schools, helped solve everyday math problems, and even created magical math games for everyone to enjoy. One day, they arrived at a school where the students were learning about fractions. The teacher, Miss Fractiona, welcomed them warmly. "Lily, could you help us understand fractions better?" Lily nodded and picked up a magical pie chart. Imagine this pie is divided into 4 equal parts. If we eat 1 part, we've eaten 1/4 of the pie. If we eat 2 parts, we've eaten 2/4, or 1/2, of the pie. The students' eyes lit up with understanding. "Wow, that makes so much sense," one of them exclaimed. Nymeria added, "Fractions are everywhere, from the slices of a pizza to the segments of an orange. Once you understand them, you'll see them all around you." After a day of fun and learning, the students thanked Lily and Nymeria for their help. As they flew back to the castle, Lily felt a deep sense of happiness. "Teaching math is the best adventure ever," she said. And from that day on, Lily the Math Fairy became the hero of Fairyland, teaching everyone that math is magical and can solve almost any problem. And they all lived happily ever after. The end. Thanks for joining us on this magical math adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun and learning with Amaris Creation. See you next time.